Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Microsoft Paint 3D keyboard shortcuts. Control 0 or N, U, M, B, E, R, P, A, D0 equals reset zoom. Control 3 equals switch views. Control A equals selects all 3D items in your workspace. Repeat command to toggle to select all 2D items. Control B equals bold selected text. Control C equals copy selected item. Control Insert equals copy selected item. Control Shift C equals capture a screenshot. Control E equals show canvas properties. Control Shift E equals show or hide 3D perspective. Control G equals group objects. Control Shift G equals ungroup objects. I equals turn on eyedropper. Control I equals italicize selected text. M equals minimize or expand the side menu. Control N equals create a new picture or file. Control O equals open an existing picture or file. Control P equals print in 2D. Control S equals save. Control Shift S equals save as. Control U equals underline selected text. Control V equals paste selected item. Shift Insert equals paste selected item. Control W equals select canvas. Control Shift W equals show or hide canvas. Control X equals cut selected item. Shift Delete equals cut selected item. Control Shift X equals 2D crop. Control Y equals redo in action. Control Z equals undo in action. Escape equals stop or leave the current task. Home equals reset view. Up equals zoom in. Control up equals zoom in. PGDN equals zoom out. Control PGDN equals zoom out. Control mouse wheel equals zoom in or out. Control left equals orbit left. Control right equals orbit right. Control up equals orbit up. Control down equals orbit down. Alt left equals pan left. Alt right equals pan right. Alt up equals pan up. Alt down equals pan down. Control minus or equals decrease brush size. Control plus or equals increase brush size. Right arrow equals move selection or active shape right by 1 pixel. Left arrow equals move selection or active shape left by 1 pixel. Down arrow equals move selection or active shape down by 1 pixel. Up arrow equals move selection or active shape up by 1 pixel. Alt F4 equals close program. F6 equals cycle through screen elements in a window or on the desktop. F10 equals activate the menu bar in the app. Shift F10 equals show the context menu. F11 equals view picture in full screen mode. F12 equals save picture as a new file.